right now, and this is my 2017 bike check. Alright, so the grips I'm riding are ODI Softies in blue, ODI bar ends. The bars are Merit Brad Sims World in the World bars. They are 9.5 rise and 29 wide. Alright, so the stem I'm riding is the S&M Enduro stem. Headset is Merit's team headset, black. Run no spacers, just tall headset cap. Forks are the Odyssey R32s, real strong. Alright, so the front wheel, the tire I'm riding is a Merit Option 1 slide wheel tire in 2.35. The front wheel is just like a stolen complete wheel. Nice and strong, I've been riding it for a while. Alright, so the pegs are Colt butter pegs, plastic pegs. I ride 3 Colt butter pegs and a Federal plastic peg on the back right. Alright, so the seat is a Fit Solo tripod seat, and that's on top of a Federal tripod seat post. Alright, so the cranks I ride are the Animal Akimbo cranks, 175. Pedals are just the Animal PC pedals. Sprocket is the Animal M5 sprocket, 28 tooth. Alright, so onto the chain, I ride the Shadow Supreme chain, half length, strongest chain ever. Rear drive side hub guard is a kink hub guard. Alright, so my dominant side hub guard is a Mission Steel hub guard, and that is guarding my Cinema FX Free Coaster hub. Alright, so the Free Coaster hub is laced to a Cinema rim, and wrapped around that is an Animal T1 tire in 2.25. I also ride a Shadow bottom bracket, and this is my little ankle guard because I have really messed up ankles, and it helps me do tricks. Alright, and last but not least, I ride the S&M BTM frame in trans blue. It's a 21-inch top tube, and the best part, it's made in the USA. Bam! Oh, I forgot the best part. My frog light. Alright, well, I'm gonna go get some clips for you guys. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to CAG Cycles for always keeping me rolling. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you'd like to.